a guide for data science and AI leaders to cultivate Gen AI visions to navigate the path to success. Do not be consumed by AI. Rather, harness its capabilities to elevate your business. In the whirlwind of Gen AI's meteoric rise, from working moms to corporate giants, its impact has been seismic. With nearly 180 million users and 2 billion visits within its first year, ChatGPT has become omnipresent. Yet, traditional AI-reliant companies find themselves at a crossroads, seeking swift adoption without business disruption. As we gear up for massive Gen AI adoption in 2024, data science and AI leaders must cultivate a vision that not only embraces change but propels businesses to unprecedented heights. Vision beyond the norm, encompassing every functional group. As a leader, your vision must transcend the silos of data science and AI teams. Now, it encompasses every functional group within your corporation. Understanding how each group interacts with Gen AI is pivotal. Delve into the intricacies of business use cases from various perspectives, aligning each functional group's contributions with the broader organizational picture. Strategic technology integration. Leveraging existing platforms wisely. Navigate the terrain of existing technologies and platforms, traditional AI models and analytics tools. How can you blend the old with the new, minimizing costs while maximizing business benefits? Make informed decisions on what to buy or build, strategically weaving a tapestry of solutions that propels your organization forward. Evolving partnerships. Turning competitors into allies. Gen AI's reliance on broad knowledge means that competitors share the same content. Embrace this reality by transforming competitors into partners. Build alliances that broaden your income streams, turning market boundaries into collaborative opportunities. Strengthen each other in the Gen AI era. Dynamic talent and team structure. Adapting to the new normal. Gen AI blurs traditional team boundaries. A flexible team structure means individuals from diverse functional groups share some common skills. Integrate intelligent machines into your teams, acknowledging AI software engineers as essential collaborators. The traditional center of excellence may need a transformation. Revolutionized collaboration and communication, elevating interaction levels. With altered team structures and diverse skill sets, collaboration and communication must reach new heights. Foster broader, deeper, and more insightful interactions. Encourage cross-functional dialogues that fuel innovation and align with the evolving landscape of Gen AI. Holistic governance. A 360-degree approach. Shift from traditional governance models to a 360-degree perspective. Gen AI's impact permeates every functional group, from data collection and generation to business outcomes. Establish a systematic governance framework that minimizes risks, ensuring comprehensive oversight at every crucial juncture. In crafting your Gen AI vision, think beyond the ordinary. Embrace change, foresee challenges, and lead your organization into a future where Gen AI isn't just a tool but a transformative force. As data science and AI leaders, your vision charts the course for a seamless transition, creating a blueprint for success in the dynamic landscape of 2024 and beyond. Ready to transform your vision into reality? If you want to eliminate the complexity and overwhelm caused by the rapid evolution of AI, avoid falling behind competitors, develop a clear vision that aligns AI strategies with organizational objectives to drive business growth, bring wins to your organization. Connect with me at growtoyourfullest@gmail.com for a free consulting session. Let's chart the course to your organization's success in the dynamic landscape of Gen AI. As we forge ahead into this era of Gen AI, remember, AI has evolved, and so must we. Join me in exploring not just how to collaborate or compete with this technology but how to enhance our mental bandwidth to adapt to it. Let's streamline our vision, strategy, and roadmap, prepare for the future, identify vulnerabilities, and supercharge productivity and profits.